Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can send me invites to everyone on Bandlab. So let's get started. Firstly, open Bandlab app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on settings. After that, scroll until you find privacy. Then tap on it. Then scroll until you find who can send me invite. Next you can see the option of everyone. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can send me invite to everyone on Bandlab. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.